Best self-custody wallets for easy crypto purchases. Cryptocurrency acquisition should be as straightforward as your daily cup of coffee. Utilizing the right non-custodial wallet can make fiat-to-crypto transactions both quick and simple. Take note of key features such as low fees, diverse payment methods, and support for multiple blockchains and staking options. Here, we present the foremost 7 non-custodial wallets that make buying crypto effortless and uncomplicated. Best non-custodial wallets. Let's take a look at some of the best wallets out there. Metamask. Metamask, with over 30 million monthly users, offers a simplified yet secure approach for buying cryptocurrencies. Its expanding fiat-to-crypto interface spans 200 countries, with options like Apple Pay and credit card purchases. The wallet's portfolio site helps users monitor and make informed decisions regarding their holdings. Suitable primarily for Ethereum and its compatibles, Metamask might not suit those managing non-EVM assets. Exodus Wallet. Exodus simplifies Bitcoin and crypto purchases through various payment means, providing a multi-chain compatible environment and an integrated exchange for asset swapping. Users can earn passive income through staking and benefit from 24/7 customer support. Although user-friendly, Exodus raises transparency questions due to its closed-source nature and lacks features like multi-signature support. Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet gains traction from its association with Coinbase, a leading U.S. crypto exchange. Apt for storing thousands of digital assets, including NFTs, it allows purchase, swap, and staking. Through Coinbase on-ramp, buying crypto with fiat is straightforward. Supporting over 100 cryptocurrencies and more than 60 fiat currencies, it integrates functionality with recent additions like Apple Pay. Its robust security features include two-factor authentication and ledger integration. Despite high security standards, users may face accumulating transaction fees and limited crypto selections. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet streamlines purchases with local fiat currencies via partners handling over 100 currencies. With support for thousands of crypto assets, it offers users complete control for transactions and staking. Compatible with over 100 blockchains and storing 600 million NFTs, users benefit from a comprehensive asset management experience. Despite its strengths, newcomers might find the range of assets overwhelming, and the lack of two-factor authentication is a security concern. Now Wallet. Now Wallet stands out with its easy multi-chain support, allowing users to seamlessly manage their assets. This includes storing, sending, receiving, purchasing, selling, exchanging, and staking. Its straightforward fiat-to-crypto capabilities are particularly beneficial for beginners in the crypto world. By leveraging the ChangeNow exchange, users enjoy secure transactions with minimal effort. Supporting over 60 fiat currencies, and compatible with payment methods such as MasterCard, Visa, and bank transfers. Now Wallet ensures accessibility without requiring user registration or KYC, aside from fiat-to-crypto transactions. Zerion Wallet. Zerion facilitates easy fiat funding and offers investment through DeFi protocols. Users can lend tokens for interest, accessing rewards and yield farming features. While it excels in DeFi integration, Zerion's range of supported blockchains is limited in comparison to others, like Metamask or Now Wallet. Final thoughts. The crypto realm provides a multitude of wallets for managing digital assets, but reliability varies. This overview highlights several trusted non-custodial wallets, each offering unique advantages. Yet, Now Wallet distinguishes itself for seamless fiat-to-crypto transfers and broad token support, catering to diverse crypto activities.